Everybody, let's see, what should we do? We're playing Mass Effect gameplay. I'm right, I'm always right. And what will happen is, we're gonna do it from the beginning. This is all good game, and I thought I can do a gameplay for it. Now let's get started on the game. Technically, I'm a pro at this because I fixed the whole game and I upgraded everything. I'll show you. Weapons. Yeah. I think this is pretty good because it looks pretty good to me.
Aegis Defender. Do you have any credits?
You can plus 30. Just get like 20 times. See? And now for it. Okay, see? Oh, awesome. Let me just lay down my head. And we'll do 2 levels, and then we have to make a rep because I got things to do. Damn it.
We should be able to vault over this.
Like you know. You're just a person.
Select target with the target response. Concentrate, Randall.
Lag. You might get dislikes, but I'll always win. For sure. Grabbed him, and now he's dead.
Nice.
Bingo! Let's see. A surprise.
Stay in cover whenever possible.
Think?
Thought you might be a little rusty.
Does seem like I spent more time in the lab lately.
Get signatures. Careful.
See. Oh, soldier update. Oh, what a surprise. Okay, I think that's a wrap today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like this. And check out my other videos, and everything is so awesome in my videos. And if you could feel free to comment, but if you dislike this video, you don't know what I'll do. Okay, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
I don't know why you volunteered for this.
I like the power.
This is pretty funny.